want this? Does it look pretty?
Yes.
Yeah, you want to make it? Okay, we're going to have it right here, okay? First of all, we're going to have to cut this. You want to cut it? Want to try?
Now we'll have to
sushi
cut
roll?
it all.
Yeah, we need to cut it. Here, I'm going to cut it small pieces. Like this.
So I cannot cut it, so it's not bigger for me.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Want to hold it?
Yeah. So I gotta be very careful.
You got to be very careful.
Because
Mommy's
it's not
right here.
mine.
Yeah, hold it. Okay? Perfect. Good job, Aria.
Straight ahead.
Yeah. Straight. Very good. More. Almost. Good job. One more. Here. Same. Oh. Right here. Yeah. No. It's right here. Uh-oh.
Lovely.
Yeah, good job. Very good. Okay, Mommy will do the rest, okay? And then we're gonna start doing the sushi. Gonna be so yummy.
It's still less seaweed. I want to eat the seaweed.
Wanna eat the seaweed?
Yeah.
Here.
I want to try it.
Yeah, is that yummy? Try it, eat it. Okay. Now,
That tastes very good.
that tastes very good. Okay, now you wanna make this? Okay. Since you already add this, we put this away. Okay, now we're gonna put the rice in here. You wanna help Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, let Mommy get you a stick.
Yeah.
Okay? I'm gonna start putting it in here. Yeah.
Let's put it in there.
Yeah, and then we're gonna press it down and down. Yeah, pour it in. And so this is a sushi rice with salmon in it. We put some mirin and then we put some sake in here. Okay, put it in, pour it
Do more with.
in. And then what you wanna do is you're gonna press this down. Okay?
I just twist it.
So press it. Yeah, put more rice for Mommy. Good job.
So
So
not
much.
up enough.
You know, we need to fit very tight so that it can make a roll like this. Okay, so press more. Put more. More rice in there.
They're very tight. We're very tight together.
That's right. We're gonna make it very tight together
Why very tight together?
so that the roll can stay. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, so we're gonna press it.
Press it on them. Yes, we messed that. Because they do that.
Yeah. So now we're gonna put it in
That
here,
is.
and then you wanna press it down.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Good job. Good job. Wanna see our production?
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Right. So now take it out.
This looks like balls.
Yeah. So now you want to roll it?
Rolly roll it to town so it not taste down.
Yeah. You want to roll it?
Yeah.
You want to roll it? Very gently. Now roll it. Yeah. Good job. So now we have one. And then what's next? This is what? Can you count?
It's 2.
Good job. Okay, you can roll.
Be carefully, right? Be carefully.
Yeah.
So we don't want to break apart?
No, we don't want to break it apart. Okay. What number is this?
3.
Good job. Just put it on here for now. And then
4.
4. Good job. Okay, continue
Then
rolling.
5, then 6.
And 5 and 6. Okay.
Then 5.
This is 5. Good job. All right, roll it.
6.
Then, oh, need to roll it. Roll it. Put it down. And then 6. All right, put it on there.
Ah!
Did
I break it apart.
You broke it? Oh, it's okay. Accident happened.
I cannot do this.
It's okay. Mommy's here. We have to be very gentle.
How to grab it with?
Let's see if Mommy can do it. Okay, so now we're just gonna roll it and tie it from here. Good job. Now put it on here. Make it all pretty. Make it all pretty here.
I want to see my.
You wanna decorate?
I want to see my friend. We eat it.
Yummy.
I want to bring it to my friend so my friend can eat it.
Oh, okay. You want to put the unagi on it?
No.
Unagi got sauce? No?
No, it's so spicy.
No, it's not spicy. It's yummy. You want to try?
No.
Yeah. It's really sweet. Ooh. Wanna lick it?
Yeah.
Is it yum?
Mhm.
You wanna put it on?
Yeah.
Very little. Okay.
Okay.
Accident!
Ah.
Yummy, yummy.
I want to put it all.
Okay. No, good enough. Okay. All right.
Just put it everywhere.
Okay. Let's see. Mommy can put this this is called sesame. Wait. Wait for Mommy. You can have some sesame on it.
That's what tastes.
Isn't that
Good.
pretty?
Yeah. I want to try.
You want this one? This is a Japanese mayonnaise. You want it?
I don't want it.
You want it?
Nah.
No? Okay.
We'll taste this first.
Okay, you want to eat it one now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So Arya will eat it. The testimony of Arya food. Yum yum.
Uh-huh.
Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, mommy try. Good girl. Yummy.